Hey, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. We're doing your July 5th, 2018. This is your daily reading. I'm trying to figure out why my chin in this spot is shiny. Is that a shiner? It's a bump, pimple, or some shit. I don't know. July 5th, 2018. This is your daily reading, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So I'm going to set the cards out, tell the story, and then get your overall energy. We've been doing that, but I don't know why I feel like I had to announce that on this one. I don't know. Let's see what's popping. All right, before my water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. All right, for today, July 5th. Let's get it started. All right, one more shuffle, water, and we should be good to go. All right, let's see. Water sign, my water sign. You have the energy of the Judgment card in the reverse, so this is no. Okay, if you have a question, the answer is no. If you're going to court today, it's not going to go in your favor. If you're wanting a second chance, it's a no. All right. If somebody is wanting a second chance with you, it's a no. All right. I feel like no second chances here. The answer is no. All right. Period. That. Energy of the Prince of Cups. Okay, so this could be with another water sign, a younger water sign. Okay, but I feel like this is more so about I'm not opening up to you anymore. I already opened up to you enough. I'm not gonna keep opening up to you. I said I'm done. All right, so no second chances. You're not gonna keep opening up to a certain person. It could be a Scorpio individual, but you're not gonna keep doing it. You're not gonna keep putting yourself out there like, look, I've told you how I felt many times before. If you don't know how I feel by now, that's your problem. That's what you're saying. I'm tired of putting myself out there. No second chances. Okay, the answer is no. All right, no fucks given. Period. Energy of the Tower. Like, what the fuck did I just say? A breakup. No second chances, no fucks given, no emotions given. I'm done. Okay, you have the Scorpio here twice. A breakup. Okay, someone's breaking up with you. Okay, or you're breaking up with someone. You're leaving a situation. This could be a home. This could be a home situation that you're leaving, or a home situation that just blows the fuck up, and you're forced to move out. Okay, but whatever the situation may be, something is blowing the fuck up. Something is breaking down to be rebuilt. I feel like it's a breakup. This could be with this Scorpio, younger Scorpio here, or the Scorpio person. You're leaving. You're done. The High Priestess is your overall energy. Okay, so I feel like you're keeping this all a secret too. I feel like you're moving in silence. You're not telling anyone what you're doing. I feel like you're not waiting for the Tower water sign. You are the Tower. Like, you are the Tower moment. Like, okay, like you're bringing the Tower with your ass. So like, whoever you're bringing the Tower to, I feel like you're bringing the Tower to a mistress, okay, to a Scorpio, and I feel like this is all secret. Nobody knows what you're doing here, and I feel like you're doing this because you're listening to yourself. You hear the little voice in your head, listening to your intuition, your High Priestess. You could be getting advice here from someone, a medium, a spiritual guide, a tarot card reader like myself, okay? Because we behind that card we have the Ace of Cups, okay? Let's get some more clarifiers here, but I feel like you're following guidance here, like you're following your intuition. I feel like too, you could be telling somebody this, like somebody here is listening today. Like, I don't know, it could be your other person, but somebody's just being an incredible listener, not saying anything, just listening. Okay, this could be you. Like, you're just listening. You're not saying shit. All right, you don't have to. Why is the Judgment card here in the reverse? With the Death card, we have Scorpio again. Definitely dealing with a Scorpio. You have strong Scorpio in your chart. You're going through huge transformations right now. This could even be like you're getting, like, this could be something simple as you getting your hair done. Okay, like you went to your appointment today, you can't get in, they overbooked or some shit. It could be that simple. Or you're getting a new outfit, or you're transforming your wardrobe. It could be that simple. Or like you were supposed to, but you're not doing that anymore. But I feel like this is regarding a relationship, a breakup, something. We have the Tower here in the Death card. Something is coming to a complete and no coming back, like KO on that ass, like complete end, curtains closed. The Death card and the Tower, yeah. I feel like this is hidden. With the Prince of Cups, we have the oh my God, Five of Swords. Yes, I feel like it's going to be an argument. It's going to be a big blow up. It's going to be a breakup. Somebody is completely ending this. Like, it's over with. Somebody is tired of the bullshit. Somebody's tired of the drama, tired of the lies, tired of the secrets. Okay, somebody is tired of not feeling loved. All right, not somebody is tired of giving love, giving their emotion. Okay, somebody is tired of somebody's immature ass way of expressing themselves, and somebody's ending it. It's just over. This could be an actual death as well. Very unexpected death of someone here in your family. Okay, but I feel like, yeah, definitely relationship related. With the Tower, we have the Lovers. Now, with the Lovers card in the upright, this could all of a sudden be something. This could all of a sudden be a relationship that broke up, coming back together. All of a sudden, this could be all of a sudden that you are intimate with someone. All of a sudden, you have chemistry with them again. Like all of a sudden, you're intimate. All of a sudden, you have chemistry. All of a sudden, this thing is being resurrected that was once dead, that you thought that was completely over and done with. Like something that could have ended abruptly in the past. Okay, it could have ended due to fighting and shit like that, petty arguments, pride, ego, and due to somebody not expressing themselves, somebody being very immature in the way they express themselves, being a womanizer, being a charmer, seducer, and not ever really following through with shit. Somebody's just all about drama, and I feel like something ended very abruptly. There was a big blow up, a breakup that was very abrupt, very unexpected. And I feel like water sign, you could be secretly feeling like, okay, but I feel like your mind is telling you that, hey, things are not what they seem here. There's love here. There's chemistry here. Okay, there's definitely sexual chemistry between you and this person. A lot of passion for this person, a lot of sexual chemistry. This person is sexy to you, beautiful, like the ultimate, gorgeous. All right, this person makes you hot in the pants. Okay, and I feel like you're following divine guidance here. Okay, you're letting things just play out. Okay, like I feel like you know in your heart of hearts. Okay, like I feel like you were not banking on a second chance with this person at all because of how it ended. Okay, but I feel like all of a sudden you guys are back talking, you're back together, you're making love, you're intimate. Okay, you're friends again. Like all of a sudden you're breaking up. It can go both ways here. All right. Let me get the hidden influences here so we can get a little bit more clarity for you, water sign. Yeah, we have the Emperor. Okay, so yeah, I feel like this is more about a breakup. Okay, so with the Emperor here, we have an Aries energy. Somebody being very, very controlling, like I said, somebody being very petty about how they express themselves or not expressing themselves at all. When they do express themselves, it's like a very charming, seductive, jokingly kind of way. It's never serious. There's no substance. Okay, there's no depth to expressing themselves, and they play a lot of mind games, a lot of fucking mind games. All right, like this, I feel like this person gets off on the mind games. Like I feel like this person, one day they could be talking to you, the next day they're ghosts. They're all of a sudden they're gone. All right, but I feel like this person, the Emperor, Aries energy, very controlled, distant, kind of cold, detached. All right, like I said, all of a sudden I feel like all of a sudden there's a breakup. There's a breakup here with this person. Like this person is just too cold for you, too controlling. The situation is too controlled, too detached, too distant. It's just too much, too overwhelming. All right, not enough romance. There are no cups in this reading. Where's the romance? Where's the love? All right, if it's not going that way for you, it's going the opposite way. All of a sudden you guys are back together. Okay, but I don't see any cups here. There is a cups behind the High Priestess card, but as far as like anything else, I don't see any cups. I don't see any wands. There's no passion. There's no emotion. Where's the love? Where's the sex? All right, between you and this person. That's why I feel like this is more about a breakup. Something is coming to a complete end because this is dry as hell. No cups and no passion. This is a dry ass relationship. All right, and I feel like you could even still be attracted to this person, but even though the Lovers card is here, I still feel like where's the love at? Where are the cups? Where are the wands? Where's the passion at? If this is like the beginning of something new, this shit is dry. What is your guidance? What is your daily guidance for today? Wow, you might be dealing with the fire sign. I believe fire signs got the same card. It says Sorceress. You are a magical person who can manifest your clear intentions into reality. Okay, so this is about a breakup. About if you were the one playing mind games and having trouble expressing yourself, you thought in a million years this could never be resurrected. You could, and I feel like water sign. I feel like too, if this is about you getting back together with someone, I feel like you feel like this is the only person you can be with. Like you cannot be with anybody else. I feel like you feel like this is the end all be all for you. This person is the one. Okay, for some of you, you feel like you can't be with anybody else, but you never thought like this could happen again. You thought it was over with, no second chances, but it's being resurrected. Okay, because I feel like you were calling this in, listening to divine guidance too, praying for it, wishing for it, hoping for it. Okay, so where you thought there wasn't going to be a second chance, there is. It's going to be resurrected. We have the Death card in the reverse. Things have been transformed. Okay, Either that or somebody's breaking up with you, you're breaking up with somebody. You choose the side you're on, okay, water sign? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Bye.